Hey guys, back with another video for my addictive blogging channel. So I have with me the Amazfit GTS 4 smartwatch, and we can receive the WhatsApp messages on this smartwatch. Not only we can receive the WhatsApp message, we can also reply to the WhatsApp messages, and definitely we can send emojis also via the smartwatch directly to the number from where the message has been received. So in this video we will see what are the things we can do with the WhatsApp messages on this smartwatch and how we can reply directly to the messages via this watch. So as always, this video will be a sick video guys, and if you are a tech enthusiast, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell notification up because I will be making more videos like this. So WhatsApp has been a really great messaging app for us, and now we can receive the WhatsApp message notifications on the Amazfit GTS 4. At the same time, we can also reply to the messages via this watch. So first of all, we need to connect the Zap app with the Amazfit GTS 4, and once we have connected the Zap app, we are ready to enable the notifications which we will be receiving via WhatsApp, so it can display on this Amazfit GTS 4 smartwatch. So we need to go to profile and click on the Amazfit GTS 4, and here we will get the option of notifications and reminders. Once we are here, we need to enable the app alerts. So here you can see app notifications are enabled, and make sure you have to enable the WhatsApp notifications which we will be receiving via this watch. Also, you can enable this option which is the fast reply management. So this is the feature which we will use to reply to WhatsApp messages. So here we can select the messages which can be sent via the WhatsApp. So there are some default replies which are already set, and you can add your own customized reply also. So to add, you have to click on this add option, and you can just add anything as a quick reply so that you can send it later on via the smartwatch. So here I will save hey, and to save it I will click on this save option. So once you have saved the reply, you are ready to send it whenever you will be receiving a message via WhatsApp. So once you have saved it, let's send a WhatsApp message and see how it comes on the Amazfit GTS 4 and how we can reply to the messages. So here I will be sending a message to my number, and it should be coming to my smartwatch also. So if I send something like hey, you can see I have received the message on my Amazfit GTS 4, and from here I can reply to the person who have sent the messages. So I am getting the option of reply, emoji and delete. So if I click on reply, I will get the option of fast replies which I have already saved. So here I have saved this customized reply which is please subscribe to my channel Addicted Blogging. So if I click on there, you can see that the message has been sent. So once I have sent the message, I will be receiving a notification on my phone also. So here is the message which I have sent via this smartwatch, and I can click on reply again and send something like an emoji or another reply. So if I click on this, you can see I am getting the replies again. So this is how you can reply to WhatsApp message. So once you are receiving a WhatsApp message, you can also reply with an emoji which is available in here. So you can see the emoji option is right there after the reply, and if I click on that, all kinds of emojis are showing in here which you can click and send. So if I am clicking an emoji and sending it to the WhatsApp, I will be receiving the same on my WhatsApp number. So here you can see the emojis which I have sent has been received on my WhatsApp number, which is really great. So this is how we can reply to WhatsApp messages via the Amazfit GTS 4, and also there is an delete option which you can use to delete the WhatsApp message directly from the smartwatch. So that's it guys, I just wanted to show you how you can reply to the WhatsApp messages via the smartwatch, and I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell notification up because I will be making more videos like this. Thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.